Hi everyone, welcome to Last Minute Coders. My name is Vinay. Hope you guys are doing well. In previous video, we saw how to build this beautiful sign up page. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is in the description. You might be seeing information button on the top right corner. So you can click on it and watch that video. Today we are going to build a login page. So yesterday in the sign up page, what all things we did, we have added validation. Okay, in our SharePoint list, we have made this list secure so that other user cannot see our user credential apart from owners or admins. Okay, admins can see all the password and all, but normal user can only see their record. Other than that, they cannot see. One user can create only one only one username. They cannot create like multiple. If Vinay has already created, so you can see up here, let me see what all validation I did. Let's say if I do something like this. Okay, so since like if I enter a wrong email, so you see this red border, I will be not able to click the sign up button. Okay, and then let me just give some password. So see the password, how like it should be one capital letter, one small letter, one number, okay, one special character. So requirement is done. Now it should also be of 8 characters. You can see up here must be of 8 or more characters. So let me just provide like 8 or more characters. Confirm password should be same as my original password, so let me paste it here. I can hide it, I can show it, okay, up to me. And once I click on sign up, see I won't be able to sign up since I'm already like in backend. I have this username, right, vinay@hyd.in. okay, so why would like again I'll be signing in. Okay, so today we will build a login page, so let's start with it. First thing first, we will create a one blank screen. Okay, and we will go to insert, go to layout, go to click on container. Okay, so this is going to be my login container. So yep, this is my login container. Well and good. I'll give a border radius as 20, drop shadow as bold, so you can see up here once I'll play it. So good, right? Now I'll click on my container, go to insert, add some label. Okay, the first label is going to be like it will have this login. Okay, and I'll make it bold. Okay, I'll keep this here. Now again I need to add some label, not outside of this but inside my container. Okay, here font size I'll use 16, and here I'll say username / email. Okay, so they can use username. Okay, let's make it a semi bold. Okay, fine. All right, this is done. Now let me just copy this, paste this. Other field is going to be the password field. So this one is going to be password, right? Okay, very well and good. Now I just need to make like 2 input fields. So I'll go to insert, add one input field. Okay, so this one is going to be username. Let me, before copying and pasting this, firstly I'll remove this default. Okay, next thing, I don't in all my videos I say I don't like this when I hover over it, this light blue background color I don't like, and I don't like this focus border thickness, so I'll remove them. So for background hover color, see this middle one, I'll click on this, make it transparent. Okay, and for focus border thickness, I have this one property, see this, I'll make this 2. Okay, 2 is my original like border size, so if now I'll click, it will be fine. All right, let me copy this, paste this again, and for password I'll use the same. Okay, once like this is done, I'll go up here. Since it is a password field, so mode, see I can change the mode to password, but let's say if user wanted to see their password, so I need to make this a little bit dynamic. For that, what I'll do is I'll add some icons as well. So I'll say show, so show is not coming up here. Let me type like icon. Let me add any icon for now. Let's add this icon. Then I'll click on this drop down of this icon, and here I'll say, I think the name is view instead of show. Okay, so view. Okay, now let me fix it. Yep. Fine. See, good. This is looking good. Now I'll click up here in the icon, this thing. Wait, before this, go to its on select, right? In the code section, right? Just wait, it is lagging a bit. Okay, so on this icon on select property, what I need to do, see the properties on select. So firstly I'll remove this false. I'll say I'll create one update context variable, update context, and here see, this is how we define the update context variable, and the name of this variable is going to be var underscore pass. Okay, simple name we will give. Let me override this, var underscore pass colon, I'll make it var underscore pass. Now this code will work as a toggle button. Okay, so this will work as a toggle. So I'll just copy this whole code, go to on visible of this page. Okay, so by default, like this will be false when like user come to this page, like this will be false. Then I'll utilize this variable. I'll go up here, click on icon properties. You see the properties icon, currently it is written like view up here. So I'll say if this is false, then it should be view, else icon dot hide, else it should be hide. Okay, the same code, I'll copy this. I'll click on this text input and go to its mode property. So there is a property called mode of this text input, and currently it is written the mode is like password. So how to like make two modes? See, if this is like false, then it should be password, but if it is true, then text mode okay, text mode dot, then we have to make it single line. Okay, so this is how we like make them a little bit dynamic. So see, as soon as I type it here, see, now I can show, I can hide, show, hide, show, hide. Okay, very well and good. Here we don't have to like give validations and all. If something is wrong, if our login information is wrong, then we will display, we will just give like red borders. Otherwise no need to add validations here. In sign up page we need validation, here we don't. Alright, let me play here and let me remove this. Now what else we need? We need a button, right, and a shadow to that button. I'll click on this container. Firstly, before adding the button, I need to add one container. Okay, let me move this like down, increase its size. Okay, give the border radius as 20, drop shadow as bold. Now inside this container, container 6, see the name of this container is container 6. I'll add my button, and the same border radius I'll give like 20, the same as my container, and I'll increase its size and its width. Okay, so see, now it is looking like this button has a shadow, right? So amazing. Let me play for you and see up here, right? Cool. So this is like done. Let me increase the size of my main container a little bit, and let me move this button a bit. I need to click on container to move this whole thing. Okay, so yeah, fine. Looking decent. Okay, all right. So we have like these two information, like and here what we need to write is we need to write login. Okay, but if somebody need to sign in, we have to like provide something up here. Let me see up here in my sign up page. I had this, right, already a user and this button called login, right? So the same way, let me just copy this label, copy, and I'll click up here and I'll paste this. So instead of like already a user, this time what I'll say, need an account. I'll say something like this, need an account. Okay, question mark. Then we need one button right here. Okay, button or a link. So how to make that? I'll click on my container, go to insert button. So current styling is this. Firstly, I'll change its font color to black. Background color I'll change to transparent. Okay. Here see font size. Let's make it 16. Let's give underline to it. And here I'll say sign up. Okay. And one more thing I need to do, instead of like this black font color, let's give this blue, so that it look like a link. And once I like arrange it, I'll make it text align like left, so that they both look like a part of like same this thing. Okay, so they both look like they are part of one only. Okay, so I can make this right align and that one as left align. Okay, so it is up to me, the UI part. So see, this is looking good, right? Decent. All right, now what we need to do is how we can log in. See, in my backend I need to match, like if my username and user credential match, then user should be able to like log into our main site. Okay, so let me create one like page. Okay, and here what I'll say, like let me insert one label. Okay, and here center align it. Let's give it some background color. Text color, let's change it to white. Font size, let's make 24. And here what I'll write is like my main app. Okay, something like this I'll say. Okay, my main app, and here I'll have one label. Okay, here I have one label. Let me increase its size, it's 230. Here I'll say welcome and the name of the person. Okay, welcome and the name of the person should come. Okay, whosoever logs in, so his name or his email or his username should come. Okay, his username should come as a welcome username. Okay, whatever the username is, like this username will be dynamic, so that we will do. Okay, once like a person will be able to log in, then this is what he or she should see. All right, so let me go to my login screen. So here what code I need to like think of. Okay, so since I am navigating to navigate from one screen to another, we have this navigate function. Okay, so see, if I write like navigate to like screen 2. Okay, so see, if I do like something like this, so see this is screen 1. Okay, let me just rename these screens. Okay, rename, this is registration screen. Okay, this is login screen, so that we won't get confused. And this is, let's say this is my main home screen, I can say. Okay, home screen, which I wanted to access. Okay, so from here I'll navigate to home screen. Okay, so just showing you, like if let's say if I give something username, password, and if they both are correct, so if I click up here, I should be navigated up here, and here it should here I should see welcome and my name like Vinay, and then whatever my username is. Okay, so I should see that. So let's go to login screen. Here we don't have to like do anything in these two. Whatever code we will write in this login. So before this navigate, we have to check if now what we have to check. So we have to map like these things, right? Username, with my backend. So how will I check like that? So for that what you need to do is you need to say look up okay, look up where. So the name of this list is table user credential. Okay, so table user credential. Okay, the second parameter what you need to give is okay, the user email. Okay, this one, because whosoever will log in, this is that email yesterday we saw, right? So we will say user underscore email is equal to user is a function in Canvas app also, and if I write dot email, so what this will extract, and if I write like dot here after this dot, and what I need to extract from it, username. Okay, username. Okay, if this username is equal to with this text input 3. Okay, the name of this text input is text input 3, text input 3 dot text. If they both are equal, okay, if this is equal to this, okay, and okay, I have to write and. Again, I'll just simply what I'll do is I'll copy this whole thing till here, copy paste up here. Okay, what is the name of this one? I'll click on this one. The name of this is password text input is text input 3 underscore 1. So here I'll write text input 3 underscore 1, and instead of username this time, the next is user underscore credential, CRED. So this is the name of my column in the backend. You can see up here user cred and username. So well and good. So once I like do like this thing, if like they both are mapping, then navigate to like home screen. Okay, else if they are not matching, I'll say notify. Okay, and what I'll notify, I'll say username or password is wrong, please try again. And I'll say, since it is an error, right, so I'll say notification error, type will be notification error. That's it. See, if I play up here and if I hit on connect, see what will happen. See, username or password is wrong, please try again. But let me just double click up here. Firstly, let me copy this username, go up here, paste up here, and let me go up here, copy this and paste up here. Okay, I have copied my username, my password. Okay, so this is my username, this is my password. Let me just hide it. So originally it will look like this, and if I click on see login, and I am able to navigate, right? And here how can I show my username? Okay, very simple. See, in this login page, right, we had written this code, right? Lookup ka code we have written. So I just have to copy this code, simple as that. So let me again like hit on login. I'm here. In place of this username, what I'll use is this sign, and see up here, welcome Vinay @hyd.in, and that's it. This is my username, right, in the backend. This is how I'm able to log in. But let's say even if admin try to log in with some other ID, right? Let's say admin try to log in with this bot account, will he be able to log in? Firstly, no. So let me just show you by trying this. Okay, so let's use bot account and let's use bot credential. Even if he tries to log in with this, see, he won't be able to log in because the current user is this only, right? Vinay @ and then my host name. Current user is this. Even he know other person credential, it doesn't matter. He or she won't be able to log in with other person's credential. Okay, he will only be able to log in through his credential by the way we have designed, right? The way we have designed using this. So only by his credential he will be able to log in. So see how much secure our app is. Other person won't be able to see what we are authorized to. Okay, so we have done like authorization. This thing is called authorization. So whosoever is authorized, right, if Vinay is authorized to see something, so only with his login credential he will be able to see. Even if he know like other person's login credential, he won't be able to log in. Okay, because we are we this is a business app, right? Whosoever joined in, that person already have like his email, his full name there. Okay, in the back end here, if you see, if I see you up here, so see up here this user dot email, you are seeing up here, right? So this already is there, okay, inside my Canvas app. So user dot email will be my email. This email already is there. Okay, so very well and good. This is how we we made this login page, how we made this secure. Now very few things left to do. See, if I'm hovering over it, the color is changing. Let me fix this. So the hover, see, firstly the press color should be like fill. This should be color. Our background color, I don't need any background color. Okay, wait a sec. Why there is an error? Let's fix this. It should be fill. Okay, background color is fine, but the color should be like the shade of blue. So see, well and good. Now if I click on sign up, I should go to navigate to like a registration page. So I'll click on the sign up, click on this drop down. There is one property called on select. Here as it is. I'll say navigate to registration page. Okay, registration screen. Next parameter pe I can give like a transition if I want to, like this fade transition I can give. Okay, so it is totally up to me. Alright, let me just copy this code and let me play up here. Let me show you. If I click up here, sign up, see I'm navigated to this login sign up page. Now the same thing we can do for here. I'll go up here, paste this. Now I'll go to login screen. Okay, what is the name of this login screen, right? Why? Okay, login screen. So that's pretty much it. If I hit on login, I'll be in here. If I go to back, I'll be here. Okay, now very amazing, right? Let us do one more thing. Okay, by default, whatever is your first screen, right, on start of your app, I'll see this screen, but I wanted to see my registration screen, right? I don't want to see the sign up screen. So I'll click on my app, start screen property, see start screen. Here again I have to click on this app, start screen. Here I have to define like the first screen should be this registration screen. All right, let me just save it and then I'll publish it. Let's wait. Okay, published, save, publish. Once like this is published, let me just show you. Let me open up here. Let's wait. Go to apps and here is my app. So see, last modify 14 seconds ago. I am the owner. It is a type of Canvas app. I'll click on this app. Let's open it. Firstly we need to allow this connection. Let's wait. Yeah, see, your old version, you are using old version of the app. Refresh up here. So as soon as I refresh, the new version will come up. Since I'm using developer account, that is why I'm seeing this warning. If you are doing it in your company, so you won't see this warning. Let me just close this. So see, if I click on login, I'll be on the login page. In my login page, see, if I like copy my credential. So let's copy. If I wait a sec, here it is, right? I need to paste it here. This is my password. I'll copy from here only and I'll paste up here and I can hide it. Okay, show it, hide it. Okay, let me hit on login. So as soon as I hit on login, see, there was one line up there and I was able to log in. Okay, so very well and good, right? So this is how we make like login screens and all. Okay, this is how we make login screen and sign up screen in Canvas app. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this with your colleagues. You can share your comments and feedback in the comment section. I would really appreciate them. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.